Welcome back to utcaistudio, AI-powered, creativity-fueled. Today's big question: which GPT model should you actually use in 2025? OpenAI now offers several models: GPT-4o, O3, O4 Mini, O4 Mini High, 4.1, 4.1 Mini, and 4.5. Choosing the right one can feel like picking a drink from a vending machine with no labels. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which model fits your needs. Whether you're writing blogs, building apps, making YouTube scripts, studying, or just chatting smart, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Let's start with GPT-4o, also known as Omni. This is OpenAI's most advanced all-in-one model. It can handle text, images, audio, and soon even video, all in one chat window. This makes GPT-4o incredibly versatile. 4o is best for everyday user wants a blend of speed and intelligence. People who use voice or upload images. Content creators who multitask. Beginners who want one model that can do almost everything. To understand better, let's see an example. You upload a photo of a handwritten note or an image. For instance, let's upload a document about an AI content action plan and ask, summarize this for my class. GPT-4o understands the image and gives you bullet points. Or if you need more insights, reprompt to refine further. Or let's say you want to use voice mode and you speak into the mic.
Hey ChatGPT, help me prepare for a job interview for a marketing role.
It not only gives you questions and answers, but also suggests what to wear, what to research, and what questions to ask the interviewer.
For what to wear, it's usually best to go with business casual or business professional attire, depending on the company culture. If you're not sure, you can never go wrong with a neat blazer and a professional look. As for research, definitely look into the company's recent marketing campaigns, their values, and their competitors. It's always impressive if you can bring in some insights or suggestions during the interview. And when it comes to questions to ask the interviewer, you might want to ask about the team structure, what a typical day looks like, and what their expectations are for the first few months in the role. It shows that you're really thinking about how you can fit in and contribute.
It's also extremely fast and more affordable than older GPT-4 models. The cost per 1 million tokens is approximately $5. It's designed for balanced tasks and multimodal support such as voice, vision, and text. It is the fastest model with the highest reasoning capability. Who should use it? If you're a student, creator, teacher, or someone who wants a friendly AI companion for multiple tasks, GPT-4o is your go-to. If you are finding this helpful, hit that like button. It helps more creators and learners discover the right model too. So next up, we have O4 Mini and O4 Mini High. Think of them as the compact O4 models. O4 is best for faster everyday tasks, users on a budget, those who value speed over depth. O4 Mini is lightning fast and uses less computes, great for small tasks. O4 Mini High is a bit more thoughtful, better at understanding slightly complex prompts and providing more structured responses. Let's type, write a funny 100-word product description for a smart water bottle. Mini gets it done in seconds. Mini High gives it a little more wit and clarity. But let's ask, give me 5 ideas for Instagram Reels about productivity. Both models respond fast, but Mini High might offer more structured and trendy ideas. The cost per 1 million tokens for Mini is approximately $1.50, a budget-friendly option for small creative tasks. It's one of the fastest models available with basic reasoning capability. And the cost for O4 Mini High is around $3 per 1 million tokens. It's a smaller, lightweight model with faster performance and medium reasoning capacity. It is better structured than O4 Mini. Who should use it? Well, if you post on social media, write emails, answer client messages, or draft short copy, the O4 Mini series is perfect. O3 is an older model, but it still does its job well for light tasks. It's not as widely used today, but if you see it, don't ignore it. O3 is best for beginners getting into AI, brainstorming ideas, quick drafting, educational support for young students. If you ask, list 10 facts about the solar system for a school project, O3 responds quickly with basic, accurate facts. It's fast and simple, just not built for deep thinking or multi-layered tasks. The cost per 1 million tokens is approximately $1, making it a cheaper and accessible option for light tasks, learning, and simple prompts. It operates at medium speed with basic reasoning capability. Who should use it? If you're just looking to play around or need simple answers, O3 is still a reliable choice. Now we are moving to GPT 4.1 and its smaller sibling, 4.1 Mini. GPT 4.1 is a logic expert. It follows step-by-step instructions better than GPT-4o. If your task has multiple parts or requires careful organization, this model shines. GPT 4.1 are best for structured writing, professional tasks, academic content creation, educational lesson planning. If we ask, plan a 5-day content calendar for Instagram with hooks, captions, and posting times, GPT 4.1 delivers a table with a 5-day content calendar with details. Or if we ask, explain the concept of machine learning to a 10-year-old. It gives a story and analogy which is simple but thorough. Whereas 4.1 Mini does much of this too, but slightly faster with a bit less depth. The cost per 1 million tokens for GPT 4.1 is between $15 and $20. It is mainly used for structure-heavy tasks and provides clear logic for better planning and organization. It's medium fast with high reasoning. The cost for GPT 4.1 Mini is between $7 to $10 per 1 million tokens. It is useful for semi-structured creative work, a faster version of GPT 4.1, but with lesser depth. It's faster compared to 4.1 with medium reasoning capability. Who should use it? Teachers, YouTubers, researchers, marketers, or anyone who needs clarity and structure. Now we are at the top of the intelligence ladder. Meet GPT 4.5. This model is made for power users. GPT 4.5 is best for developers and engineers, legal or financial writers, scientific researchers. Let's say if we ask, write a React code that generates a to-do list with local storage and dark mode. GPT 4.5 writes clean code, explains it step by step, and even includes CSS tweaks. Or need help with illegal structure for a contract or a complex research summary, GPT 4.5 is your model. Who should use it? If you need exactness, logic, and structure with zero fluff, GPT 4.5 is your best bet. The cost per 1 million tokens is around $30. It's expensive but worth it for its capability to handle complex tasks like advanced logic, coding, or academic writing. It is comparatively slower but has very high reasoning capability. The tricky part for everyone is choosing the right AI model at the right time. Let's make this easy. Ask yourself, are you multitasking with voice, images, and quick chat? Go with GPT-4o or Omni, or need something fast and cheap for light tasks? Then pick O4 Mini or Mini High. Want strong logic and structure in responses? Use GPT 4.1 or 4.1 Mini. Or doing programming, legal, or academic work? Then use GPT 4.5. Still not sure? Try GPT 4o first. It's the most balanced and most tasks can be achieved using it. It may be a bit pricey, but you must spend some money to experience the best AI out there. And do comment below which AI model did you try? What tasks did you perform and what was your experience? And that's a wrap. Now you know how to pick the best GPT model for whatever you're working on. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with what model you use most and why. Coming next, we'll dive into the best hacks to unlock GPT-4o's full power. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.